Night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. And there were carols on the square, laughter everywhere, couples kissing under the mistletoe. I can't help reminiscing, knowing I'll be missing Christmas Eve in my hometown. Nothing can erase memories I embrace, those familiar footprints upon the snow. There's so much to remember, no wonder I remember Christmas Eve in my hometown. I'd like to be there, trimming the tree there, and there's a chance that I might. I can hear singing, steeple bells ringing, Noel and Silent Night. Wise men journey far, guided by a star, but though I'm not a wise man, this I know. Through dreams and just pretending I'm there, and I'll be spending Christmas Eve in my hometown, Christmas Eve in my